on, everyone? It is Jaden and welcome to my channel, Beautifully Rational. Today I am going to be doing a thrift flip for you and I am so excited to see how it turns out because I've been wanting to do this for a while now. So fingers crossed it goes as planned. All that we are actually going to need today is my $2 thrift store fabric. I literally love this. I think it's so cute. It's almost like a corduroy kind of feel, which is super cozy, and I just really think it's gonna be really cute what we're gonna make it into. So we'll see. And then you have to have your pins. I don't believe I'm gonna need some elastic today, but I went on and bought some anyway. And then I only have a portable mini sewing machine because I'm waiting for my actual one to come in, but it will definitely do the trick. So that, and then scissors. I have to run and get scissors because I totally forgot them. But yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I am going to include down here kind of where I got my idea from. And I really hope this turns out because I think this is the cutest thing known to mankind. But the first thing that I really just need to do is just measure this right here because it's going to be my biggest part. And my house is kind of a mess right now because we're in the process of moving. So pretty much I'm just going to take the end of this and go from my armpit, because I want to go armpit, to my other armpit. So it's going to be that big. And then I am going to go on ahead and cut this little string so I have some room to work with. Okay, not even joking, I literally paid $2 for this ginormous amount of fabric that in store would cost me so much more. It's insane, and I'm literally super duper excited about it. But now that I have this laid out, I'm going to cut the actual fabric however big I need it. I'm going to cut just a little bit bigger on the sides just so I give myself a little bit of extra room to work with, because you're going to want to fold the corners in to make it a straight edge. So I am going to do that. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut this side. And then I'm going to take this and go a long ways just to make sure that I have plenty to work with, if you know what I mean. And I want it to be the same on both sides. And this is my first ever time really doing something like this. So if it doesn't turn out the best, bear with me, because I'm really trying here and I really want to get into this. But, you know, everything takes a little bit of practice. So I'm just kind of taking you on the little adventure with me. So hopefully it goes well. And if you keep tuning in, not in this video particularly, but in an upcoming video, a very, very, very soon upcoming video, I will have a giveaway, which is super exciting, and a component that I'm going to try and start bringing into almost all my videos, or at least once a week. We're going to start trying to do giveaways. So that is going to be really fun, and all you guys have to do to be entered is tune in so you can find out the giveaway instructions. And then voila, we have our piece. See? And then we can just kind of throw this to the side right now because we won't need it for a little bit. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is we are going to take our string that we used to measure the top, like so, put it in the very middle. Ooh. Okay, I'm actually gonna use this as my top because it's a lot straighter cut, which I think is will be nice. Okay, so roll that over. Okay, and put it in the very middle, like so, and then get your pins, and you're just gonna go along the side and flip it over towards the middle, like so. Lay it down flat because you want it all to be the same. And pin it. So. I really do love this pattern. I know it's like total 70s, but imagine if I made a matching pair of like shorts out of it or something. Or pants, some flare pants. That would be really, really cute. Comment below if you want to see something else made out of this fabric, and I will look up some patterns and do it to a little mama. Because I would love to see more. I still have so much of it too. It literally cost me $2. The thrift store is my favorite place to get fabrics, let me tell you. Okay guys, so when everything's said and done, this is what it looks like. As you can see, you just fold it in, put your little things on the side, and I know it's gonna look a little wonky, but if you just keep pulling it, and it will make the actual corner straight. See, when you flip it over, it all looks like it is definitely the same on the side. See, nice pretty crease. So okay guys, like I said, it's time to start sewing. I have my sewing machine all ready, all hooked up and ready to go. This thing's literally freaking awesome, guys. It cost me like $15 and it's amazing. I can carry it with me everywhere. It's so easy. So now I just am going to lift my needle up a little bit, put that right where I need it. I'm going ahead and put that down along with this bad boy, and then you're just gonna do it. Okay, so there is that side, guys. See? Okay guys, so I went on ahead and stitched the other side as well. See, so this is what we're left at. You can go ahead and take out your pins, which is what I'm about to do. Go ahead and put them up and put them away. Well, you don't want to put them up and away yet because we are going to do the same thing to the bottom. So now that we have this how we want it, you are going to determine how long you want it. I think I'm actually going to keep this length for me, just because I wear a lot of high-waisted jeans, and I think by the time it's all said and done, it will kind of bunch up a little bit and will be just perfect where it won't really show my midriff, because it's going to show a lot of your back. So that personally is where I'm at. So now I am going to start working on the sides of it. So what you guys are going to need is we left enough here if you just want to run like end to end and tie it like around your top and around your back, you can. But what I think I'm actually going to do is make some string out of that same fabric, and then attach it to the side here. Attach like one thing here to the side, or maybe even just attach it to the top where it will go through the top to tie around my neck. I don't know. You know what? I'm just gonna play around real fast and see what I think, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make the straps. So here we go. I determined that for myself, because I'm a little bit more busty, I'm just gonna do one really, really long strand that will fit around my neck, and then go kind of like this and tie in the back like so. Like so. Because I think it will just kind of give me a little more leeway to work with. So I'm going to do that. And then how we are going to make these is you cut out one really, really long strip like so, and then you're actually going to pin it inside out like this, okay? And then after you put your pins in, you're just going to sew on the outside of your pins. So after I get my pins in, I will show you what I mean. So now I have the whole thing pinned, and where I was saying you are going to want to sew is right here on this side of it. So let's sew it. And we are officially finished as soon as I cut this little piece off. Okay, and there you have it. So there's the top, and then you're going to tie this through it, and I will show you guys right now.